Natalie just claimed her 4th Coupe crown. Your throne? Link in bio. For scrunchies. Two clashes. 3 novelty pins. 4 pairs of clip-on earrings, extra for our lovely princess. 1 bracelet. 3 cards of printed band-aids, 1 more for our little princess. 8 cute pouches. Lucky you, an extra surprise is all yours. Legendary gift, a cute umbrella. 2 watches. 1 exquisite notebook. 1 handbag or 1 backpack. 2 Zootopia blind boxes. 1 diamond painting kit. 1 bathroom item. 6 travel toiletry sets. One-time offer only. One Hello Kitty blind box. One hand or foot mask. 1 themed scented card. Let's add 2 more for our cute princess. 1 canvas tote. 1 themed Rubik's Cube. 1 decorative towel. 2 combs or mirror combs. And that's the tea. Orders up. See you next time. Bye.